Hello, guys. My name is Hansen Harper,
My name is Zion Harper.
and we are authors of the best-selling book, You Can Be a Better Father,
You can be a better son.
7 Steps to Having a Better Father and Son, a Relationship God's Way. Listen, on tomorrow we're going to have the first annual Father and Son Conference here at Bethel's Family Church. As you guys can see, we are getting ready, and you can see our pictures and posters in the back. We're just here just going through through an audio check and a sound check. And we just thank God for what he's going to do for all fathers and sons on tomorrow, man. And I believe he's going to come through in a mighty way. Are you excited, Zion?
Yep.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing right now. But we love you guys, and we thank you guys. And fathers, you could be better.
Sons, you can be better.
We love you. Thank you all so much. Go to www.betterfather.betterson.com. And we'll guys see you at the conference. Thank you so much. Love you.